Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding where your data will live and why that matters. Drive for persistence, upload for quick tests. First, open Colab and choose Runtime right arrow Python 3. Then, if you need persistence, run from Google. Colab import drive, mount, /content /drive, and follow the prompt to authorize. If you only need a few small files, run from Google. Colab import files, upload, and pick files. This gets your environment ready and avoids redoing work later. Once mounted or uploaded, place files where your code expects them. Copy to /content for fast access or keep in drive for persistence. Use wget URL or gdown file ID to pull large files, then unzip or tar xcf as needed. Next, choose the right loader, pandas. Read CSV for tables, numpy. Load for arrays or TF. Data for ML pipelines. Specify full path like /content/drive /mydrive/data. To finish, write outputs back to drive so results persist, use df. To CSV /content/drive /mydrive/output. CSV or shutl. Copy for single files. Then set variables to absolute paths and document them at the top of the notebook. If something breaks, restart the runtime and remount drive. Often authorization expires or the mount drops. If a file is missing, run OS. Path exists, path to confirm, if it returns false. Reupload or recopy the file, then rerun the dependent cells.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.